right, you've probably heard of TikTok, but did you know that you can make money from TikTok? Now, you might not know this, but every single day there's people making money online using the TikTok platform. Now, on the screen right now, there are some people who are making a lot of money. Now, this is obviously the top tier people on TikTok who are earning the biggest incomes. However, there are thousands of other smaller creators that are making a full-time living online using the TikTok platform. And in fact, I have a few friends right now that are making over $400 per day using the strategies I'm going to show you in this video. Now, in this completely free training video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best ways to make money with TikTok right now. And 3 of these methods are brand new and are blowing up right now. And you are going to want to get your foot in the door to get a piece of the pie. And even if you do have a TikTok right now and you've been struggling to make money with the platform, this is the video that you're going to want to watch. Now, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take you through a 12-minute quick guide showing you the exact steps that you need to take to make money with these particular methods. And I'm going to go over every single one by one. Now, you have nothing to lose to try these methods. It's completely free to go ahead and sign up and create your own TikTok account. It's free to post content on TikTok, and it's also free to make money with TikTok with these ways that I'm going to show you. So let's jump into the tutorial right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money on TikTok right now, whether you are a beginner or if you already have your own struggling TikTok account. All right, guys, now this is in no particular order, but the first one we're going to look at is called Canva Tutorials. Now, this is kind of new and it's blowing up right now on TikTok, and people are making a lot of money with this particular strategy to make money on TikTok. So if you don't know what Canva is a website where you can sign up and you can do design type of stuff. So you can design things like flyers, business cards, YouTube, thumbnails, videos, presentations, webinar presentations. You can design really anything with this platform. Now, what's happening is that here's some templates right here. Is a lot of people are now starting to learn about Canva, but they don't actually understand how to do things on Canva. So here's some of the templates that you can go ahead and create. Now, the best thing about canva.com is you can actually sign up as an affiliate and you would earn money from people signing up to their plan. So what happens is you sign up as an affiliate, you then become an affiliate for Canva, and you get a special link where you would get a commission every single time someone signs up to their plans that we can actually see right here. So their pro plan, for example, we'll see the prices is $179 per person per year. And if we go monthly, that is $19 per month. You would get a percentage of this money, okay, paid to you. Now, what's happening is people are using TikTok to go ahead and create these Canva tutorials. And as you can see, they have 592 million views. This is absolutely insane. It's a really big untapped niche right now where people are making insane amounts of money. Like this one here, 887,000 views, 300,000 views, 500,000 views, 300,000 views. And if we click on one real quick, you'll see what they kind of are like. Super simple, super short, a little bit of music, and they're creating a simple template. So that is one of the best ways you can make money right now with TikTok is by going ahead and signing up as a Canva affiliate and become an affiliate marketer for Canva and teach people how to design these templates. Now, there's always going to be a base template, and then you can go ahead and edit it and show people how to edit it. You can even do resumes. And then go ahead on TikTok and do Canva tutorials. Now, while we're on the topic of affiliates for Canva, let's move on to the next niche to make money on TikTok. All right, so what we'll do now is we'll move on to number 2, and that is affiliate marketing, mainly because we just came from an affiliate marketing method. What I want to do is I want to focus on affiliate marketing specifically because the Canva tutorial thing was a little bit separate because that's its own method that is blowing up on TikTok right now. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when you take somebody else's product and you get a link and you actually promote that link and you get a commission every time someone purchases that product. So you don't have to go and create your own products or anything like that. It's a very easy method to go ahead and make money online based on the fact that you don't need to go and create your own products. So what you want to be doing with stuff like this is you want to be going on to TikTok and creating a brand for yourself. For example, this person here has a TikTok talking about how to make money online and things like that, right? And then we go to this person here, he has the same type of TikTok where he's talking about how to make money online. Well, what you can actually do is you can build up a brand on TikTok, and then you can go to websites like clickbank.com, for example, and you can go to the marketplace and you can go ahead and find offers in specific niches where you can go ahead and get a custom affiliate link. So if we go to e-marketing, e-business and e-marketing, and we go down here, this is essentially, so you've got like categories on the left and stuff like that. What you can actually do is you can go down and you can pick a specific product you want to promote on TikTok. So let's just say 1, 2, 3 profit. This is about making money online. Your average commission would be $900. Yes, that's right. That's the average you would get. All you do is you click promote and you go create hop link, and you're going to get a custom affiliate link right here that you can post on TikTok. Now, I do think this one is closed. I think it was a promotion, but that's just an example. But if we go down to this one here, you could also promote this and get $16. This one you could get $67. You could get $194. It really just depends. You just want to find one with a decent gravity score and where you can actually click promote, get that link, and you can start promoting these particular products. And there's different types of niches and categories on the left. Now, another website you can use to find affiliate products is this one here called muncheye.com. On muncheye.com, they put products that are going to be launched in the future. And you can see on the left, it has the payment platform that you sign up to. So JVZoo or ClickBank, which we were just talking about. And what you do is you click on one of these particular products like this one here, and you go to the product JV page, which is joint venture page. And it's going to give you all of the information that you need to go ahead and get your affiliate link for this launch. And there's launch prizes and everything like that. So if we go down here, yes, count me in, and then go down here, get whitelisted as an affiliate. And you go just follow the process and you'll get given an affiliate link. Very simple way to go and get some affiliate products to make money with TikTok. But you want to go and get yourself a brand. And then when you go ahead and have that affiliate link, put it in your profile here. Now this guy's probably selling a course or something, but it works the same. You're essentially promoting somebody else's course, but you're going to get a commission in return for promoting that course. All right, guys, now another method and a very popular method online right now, and another method where you don't need your own product, is print on demand. And we're gonna look at two options for this. The first option is you could go ahead and create a TikTok and you can go and sell your own t-shirts from a website called teespring.com. Now on Teespring, you don't actually need to go and hold any inventory. It's all held on Teespring, and they go ahead and essentially drop ship these t-shirts for you. You just go ahead and get the designs made. Now you might be thinking, how do I actually get these designs made? I don't know how to design t-shirts or anything like that. You can even actually do leggings, shorts, hats, all sorts of stuff. So you can do hats right here, bags, even stickers. What you can do is you can go to fiverr.com and you can actually pay people to do t-shirt designs for you. Now keep in mind, this is in New Zealand dollars, so it's about 40% less in US. So $17 would be about $12 US. But for $17 New Zealand, $17 New Zealand, you can go ahead and get t-shirts designs created. If we scroll down, we have more t-shirt designs, and generally they will think of all of the designs for you. Sometimes you might need to give them some general ideas, like a niche that you're interested in, but generally they will give you all of the designs that you need. And then you can go and start a Teespring account and you can start selling these products on TikTok. Now, another way, if you want more control, is to go ahead and start your own Shopify store where you can control the entire store. And what you can do is you can actually link this to an application called Printify. And with Printify, you can also go ahead and create t-shirts, and they will keep the t-shirts in stock and they will send them out. All you need to do is go ahead and get the designs created and put them on and then upload them onto your store. And that's it. You can go ahead and do print on demand using TikTok. This is one of the most popular ways right now to make money with the TikTok app. All right, guys, so another great way to make money on TikTok is to promote your own course or product. Now, if you do this, you're going to get the full amount of money, obviously, rather than doing affiliate marketing. And this is a really good way to make money. And the online education business is worth multiple hundreds, probably even billions of dollars per year. There's a lot of money to be made in online digital products. So if you look at the guy here that we were talking about before, you'll see that he has a link. It probably goes to some sort of product that he sells. But if we actually look at this guy here, I know who this is. He has a very, very big TikTok presence. And if we click on this, what's going to happen is it's going to take us to a webinar. Now, on this webinar, he gives away free education on how he's making money every single day. Now, once you sign up to this webinar, he is going to teach you the basics for free, and then he's going to offer you a training at the end for a price. So he is using TikTok, millions of views per day, probably based off his stuff. I don't really know how many views he's getting, but lots and lots of views. Now, he is using TikTok to send people to his link. When they go to that webinar, they watch that webinar, and then he promotes a course at the end. Now, what he's using to create this page and to create the course is a website called clickfunnels.com. Now, on clickfunnels.com, you can actually go ahead and use this to promote your own course. Okay, so as you can see, you can do sales funnels, you can do online courses, you can do webinars, you can do email marketing, you can do everything you need. All you need to do is create a following on TikTok, and then you can just simply put a link right here and you can start to promote your own products. Now, you don't have to do this in the make money online space. You can do this in the animal niche. If you're a horse rider, you can do a course on how to ride horses. You can do it on the health niche if you want a course on how to be healthy. You can do it in any niche on TikTok. I've even seen people selling fishing courses on TikTok and making a bunch of money. All right, guys, now a new way to make money on TikTok right now is by going ahead and doing Chat GPT tutorials on TikTok. If you don't know what Chat GPT is, it's a new AI software that will actually spit out information for you, ebooks, articles, anything like that. And it's extremely popular, and people are doing tutorials on how to use Chat GPT, as you can see down here. Now, if you look at this one here, this is ChatGPT_expert, and their title is ChatGPT Expert, and they have over 400,000 followers. Now, they actually sell a course on ChatGPT. So if we actually go through from here, they have a course on ChatGPT that they sell on a website called Udemy. So that's how they monetize their ChatGPT tutorial TikTok. As you can see, they're doing ChatGPT tutorials. Now, this is a brand new method because ChatGPT is brand new. It has not been out for very long, and people are still trying to learn about ChatGPT. So this could be a very good way for you to make money on TikTok by going ahead and doing ChatGPT tutorials. Now, I just wanted to put this one in here as a little bit of a bonus because this is very big and it's blowing up, and you can still get a very large chunk of the pie. So go ahead and go to TikTok and put in ChatGPT tutorials to see what type of content people are doing. If we click on ChatGPT here, you can see there's more ChatGPT tutorials as well. Now, if you want more ChatGPT stuff, I have videos on that will show you step by step how to use ChatGPT to make money online. This is it for this video, and this is exactly some of the ways you can make money with TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.